Hi everyone, today Miss Nhung is going to read the book called The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. Okay. I make some cookies for tea, says Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We starving? Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I make plenty. Miss Ma, make plenty, make a lot cookies. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma, says Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma, says Sam. They enjoy, they love cookies, right? No one makes cookies like Grandma, says Ma as the doorbell rang. It's for Tom and Hannah from next door. Coming, says Ma. You can share the cookies. 2 friends coming. That's 3 each, says Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, says Tom, and look as good as Hannah. No one makes cookies like grandma, says Ma as the doorbell rang. Yeah. Now, how many people or how many children sitting at the table? 4, right? It's for Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Wow, 2 more friends coming. That's 2 each, says Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like grandma, says Ma as the doorbell rang. Now, how many people sitting at the table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Who's coming? It's for Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, says Ma. You can share the cookies. John and Simon and 4 cousins. That means 6 people. A lot. Do you think they have enough cookies to share with them? Let's find out. That's 1 each, says Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Joy, and looks as good as Simon. No one makes cookies like grandma, says Ma as the doorbell rang. Who is coming? Right? Now each of them will get 1 cookie. And rang. There, they look at the door. Oh dear, says Ma as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you better eat them before we open the door? We wait, says Sam. It's for Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, says Grandma. It's a good thing I make a lot. The last person is Grandma, right? Grandma bring a tray of cookies. A lot of cookies. And no one make cookies like Grandma, says Ma as the doorbell rang. Wow. So that's the end of the story. So after this story, you should learn, right? You can learn from this story that you should share things, share a lot of things with your friends. Okay? Bye bye. See you.